Get ready with me while I tell you my first and a very bad experience that I had with a platform. So basically, we all know this one platform that influencers keep recommending, which is great for stays. By now, you might have understood what platform I'm talking about. The story begins with planning my friend's bachelorette, and we decided to sort of go to this one place via the app. We checked the platform on this one place. I was the one who did the bookings. After booking, on the day of check-in, the manager calls in because I was the first one along with my friend to check in because we had to do the decorations. While reaching the location, we were getting confused about some roads, and I ended up calling the manager asking for the directions. I asked him like 2 questions back to back, and he's like, मैडम आपने पहले मुझे एक सवाल पूछा तो पहले मुझे तो जवाब देने दो, सवाल पे सवाल क्यों पूछ रहे हो? So I honestly felt that when you're in a hospitality industry, the first and the most important thing is a welcoming and warm nature, which I felt on phone was not that good. But then I felt that maybe overthinking. Did the check-in. After some time, me and my friend are waiting for another friend to come in. So that's when we discuss amongst ourselves that okay, let's do one thing. We'll just get speakers so that we can play some music on. The manager and another guy with him was literally eavesdropping on our conversation, and they literally interfered into our conversation, and they were like, okay, so you're not supposed to play it at a very loud volume. That's when we felt weird because first of all, you're interfering into a conversation, and secondly, if making a lot of noise, then it is your responsibility to come and tell us, because obviously we cannot disturb other guests. That was the second red flag that I felt that this manager is quite rude. But to the next day, so while leaving, because I was the one who booked, he called my name. Platform pe review de dena, huh? And the way he said it was like threatening. I was like, yeah, fine, whatever. After some time, I obviously get a message from the application that okay, please give us a review about your stay. And I gave them an honest review, rated them on whatever basis they had written on. And then there was this option of directly messaging the host. This message was supposed to be private, wherein only the host can read. For improvements and feedbacks you want to give, you can give over there. Very honestly, I wrote in that the manager could have been much more welcoming. The way he spoke was not that good, and it's not appreciated. After like 2 hours, I get a call, and that is the host, Abhi. Hey, I'm the host. She's like, you have written a private message. Can you please elaborate something on it? I told her about my experience and whatever I felt. And she started with a very rude tone itself. She was like, नहीं ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, मैं पर्सनल ही सब देखती हूँ, मैनेजर को तो मैंने ही लगाया है, ऐसा कभी होता ही नहीं. And I was like, okay, fine, everyone's experience is different. This was my experience, and I just gave you an honest feedback on private conversation. She cut into the second topic. She was like, आपने मुझे 4-star review क्यों दिया, 5-star क्यों नहीं दिया? Now, according to me, 4.5 is good to. I rated them on that basis, and I didn't give a 5-star review because I didn't feel like ऐसा बहुत 5-star जैसा देना कुछ था. So I was